Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering the right materials and inspecting each bow clip for damage. This saves time later. Once done, separate clips by type, metal alligator, snap, or French barrette, and set aside broken parts. Make sure to have glue and needle and thread within arm's reach so you can repair fabric bows as soon as needed. Lay a cloth to avoid scratches, and use pliers to open metal parts gently. You're now ready to begin restoring and reinforcing each clip. You now focus on fixing the core problems: frayed fabric, loose attachments, and weak springs. First, trim frayed edges and apply small uniform stitches or fabric glue to prevent further unraveling. This preserves the bow shape. Next, replace or rebend any weak metal springs with pliers and test the tension against hair thickness. Then secure the bow to its base using hot glue for quick hold or hand stitch through the base for a long-lasting bond. You finish by sealing and testing each bow clip so it holds in real use. Once done, apply clear nail polish or fray check to seams and trimmed edges to prevent future fraying and to strengthen glue joints. Then test every clip in different hair types: fine, medium, thick, so you know how it performs. Adjust spring tension or add a silicone dot for grip if slipping occurs. If a clip repeatedly fails, replace the base rather than waste time on unstable repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.